Good day. Today we're going to be organizing our website in a more effective manner. So let's get to it. So first of all, you guys have the folder, should be on your desktop, just called Lounge. Well, what we have to do is we have to make this into just a more sort of efficient sort of system. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to make a couple different folders. We're going to make an About folder. Now, to make a folder, you're just going to press your Control button, click New Folder, okay? And then we're going to call this first one About. Just keep it lowercase, okay? About, and then make another folder, Images, and then make another one, Beverages, okay? So that's going to be Beverages, B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E-S, okay? So in this case then, where are we going to put our images? In the Images folder. So let's go ahead, take our images, put them in there. So that would be all of our JPEG files in addition to our GIF file, our GIF file, okay? Alright, so in About, we're going to put directions.html, alright? And then elixir.html, we're going to put in beverages. So let's go ahead then to like organize these folders. Then you just do a control click, arrange by name. Okay, so we're in good shape now. Now, what you're going to notice then is this, is that instead of your links working, well, guess what? They're not going to work now. Okay, we need to adjust our situation here a little bit. Okay, so if we go to lounge.html, get a look here, our links that used to work, so now look elixirs. OMG, I can't find it. Dude, so easy to fix, so easy to fix. Again though, look at directions. Those don't work either, okay? So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and change our paths, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we need to specify the fact that they are now in a folder. So let's go ahead then and check out, let's open up our lounge.html in Komodo. Okay, so let's go ahead here, just do a control click, open with Komodo edit. Alright, so now we got this puppy open. Good stuff. I'm actually going to just turn on word wrap so you can see. Yeah, that's good actually. Alright, so there we go, we got this stuff. Now, if we look at where our links are pointing to, it's just elixir.html. Now that worked when all of our other HTML files were in our in that main just lounge folder. What we need to do is we need to specify the path. Okay, so the elixir.html file, or excuse me, the HTML, this sort of mini site, that is in a different folder now. So in front of elixir, we're going to have to say beverages, because that's the name of the folder we put it in, okay? Beverages, and then slash, okay? So that's a backslash. Beverages dot, beverages slash elixir.html. Same thing with directions. That's just going to be, instead of beverages, it's going to be about, because we put that in a folder. So let's save that and let's test this. So let's then go check out our lounge folder. So let's go ahead here, our lounge HTML, let's make sure that it's good. Saved it. Let's go ahead here, elixirs, and there we go. Now you see what was the problem here when we went to elixirs. We're getting a question mark. Okay, well, part 2 of that is going to be fixing that. So let's go ahead, let's open up, it's going to be under beverages, and then elixir.html, open with Komodo. So once you have your elixir.html code open, what you're going to do is you just have to specify the path for the different sort of files that you move. So now what we have to do is we have to say, hey, that green, light blue, blue.jpg, instead of being just in that main folder, actually in a different folder. So we got to go ahead here. Now this is a little strange. It's going to be just period, backslash images, backslash green.jpg. So that's the way you tell the HTML that instead of being in this just lounge folder, it's instead in the images folder. Okay, so let's go ahead, let's save our work then. Okay, now let's check out the elixir.html in a second here, okay? Make sure it's coming up. So beverages, elixir, and there we go, okay? So what we had to do is we had to tell the file basically, not only do you have to go back to the lounge, you have to then go to the beverage folder, okay? So that's what we had to do there. So for the rest of this assignment, I need you to go ahead and add the make sure that the /images/ is there for the rest of those pictures. Make sure that all of the pictures on your assignment are coming up. Okay. The last thing we'll have to do then is just to update our sort of shortcut link to get back to the lounge page. But we'll do that in our next part. I wish you the best of luck with this assignment.